9 is not just a number, it's also a symbol of completeness in the science of numerology. Number 9 and today's recipe share a beautiful link. It wouldn't be wrong if we call this a 9-spice mix. Most of us fondly call this Garam Masala. Without any further ado, let's learn to make this famous spice mix Garam Masala. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. First, in a heavy bottomed pan, let's take 50 grams or about 8 tablespoons of coriander seeds. To this, let's add 10 grams of cinnamon. After cinnamon comes cloves. So for this, let's add 5 grams or 50 cloves. To this, let's add 5 grams or half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds and peppercorns are match made in heaven. Therefore, let's add half a teaspoon or 2 grams of black peppercorns. There is no masala without cardamom. Therefore, let's add 6 pods of cardamom. For a little strong flavor, let's add 5 small Marathi Moggu. Now, to this, let's add 2 small pieces of star anise. The final ingredient is nutmeg. Because nutmeg has a strong pungent flavor, let's add a small piece or 1 gram of nutmeg. We have added all the 9 spices and now is the time to dry roast them. This has to be roasted very delicately and it has to be roasted only for 2 minutes on medium flame. To roast all the ingredients evenly, it's important to keep stirring continuously. Neglecting this can make the masala a little bitter. Within 2 minutes, the aroma of these ingredients has filled the house. Let us take this off the flame and let it cool on a different plate. It is important to transfer roasted ingredients onto a different plate because ingredients continue to roast if left in the same pan and can spoil the taste of garam masala. Once the roasted mixture is completely cooled, let us transfer this to a mixer grinder. Now let's blend this into a medium coarse powder. In our experience, medium coarse works best for all the recipes. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have a healthy, tasty and homemade garam masala mix or 9-spice mix. If you liked the video, do give a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun.